Give her a big round of applause. We have Kayana Sahatatali from the Taylor School in Ulster. Our under-8 girls champion, Lily Rose Conroy from Morrissey Keane Academy in Munster. Under-8 boys champion, Oscar Donnelly from Sharon Taylor School in Scotland. The 9 girls champion, Maya Doherty from the McConnelly School in Ulster. The 9 boys champion, Garrett Sagorski from the Southern Academy in the USA. Under 10 girls champion, Erin Fegan from the Taylor School in Ulster. Under 10 boys champion, Connor Clifford, Anya Murphy School in Munster. Under 11 boys champion, Aidan Moore from Marie Connell. Under 12 girls champion, Caitlin Murray and Melanie Bradley Doherty from Ulster. Under 12 boys champion, Gillian Cronin from Scotia O'Rourke in Munster. And finally, under 11 girls champion, Blondie Mohan from Clanmacaul. Huge round of applause for all of our Day 1 Great Britain champions for 2019. Thank you very much for staying so late. Give them a big cheer as they make their way off the stage. From our under 6s up to our under 12s. Fantastic stuff. Well done.